So let's say you've got a ramp here where the vertical height is 2, the length here is 4, and this length here is 3. So imagine you've got a bike and you're trying to cycle up this ramp. Is it easier to cycle from A to B, or is it easier to cycle diagonally across from A to C? So which angle is higher? Which angle is bigger? From A to B or from A to C? Because from A to C, I hope you can see there's another triangle down here, and your job is to work out this angle. Let's call it theta. And if you cycle from A to B, you're going up this triangle here where this is a right angle, and let's call this angle alpha. So which angle is bigger, alpha or theta? The higher the angle, the harder it is to cycle uphill. So let's work out alpha. So to work out alpha, I hope you can see there's a right angle triangle A, B, D. A, B, D. And there's a right angle here. So there's a right angle here. So we need to work out alpha. So to work out alpha, this angle here would be, well, we've got to use tan. So tan the angle equals 2 over 4. And then alpha is inverse tan, 2 over 4. You jump to a calculator and it will give you an angle of roughly 27 degrees. So now let's work out theta. This triangle AC, let's call it E, AC, and straight down would be E. And the vertical height here is 2. And we need to know this length here from A to E. So this is AE. AE is this diagonal length across. So to work out the diagonal length, let's call the diagonal length W. We need to work out W first. Well, we've got to use this triangle here in order to work out W. So let's call this F. So we've got to use triangle AE. So from here to here is AE. And then this length here, hang on, this will be 4 here. This is a right angle, so that's this triangle here. So this is 4, this length here is 3, and W is this length. We need to work out W. We need to know the length W. So using Pythagoras, W squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared, and then that will give us 25. And then you square root 25. So W is 5. So this length here is 5. Now looking back at this triangle, ACE, we know the vertical height is 2. We know the length here is now 5. Now we can work out the angle, theta. So theta would be 10. So tan the angle, tan theta equals 2 over 5. So theta equals inverse tan of 2 over 5. Jump to a calculator and that should give you roughly 22 degrees. So 22 degrees. So this will be 22 degrees. And this angle here is 27. 27 versus 22. So if you're on a bike, it's easier to try and cycle from A to C. It's easier to try and cycle diagonally across rather than going straight up. If you were to go straight up, it will be steeper because the angle is bigger. Okay.